Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. I just saw a message from BOXYCHARM and wanted to get this out there for anyone who has just subscribed and would like to get BOXYLUX, or if you know someone that would want to subscribe to BOXYCHARM and really wants to get the BOXYLUX. Let me show you this quick clip and then I'll tell you all about it.
What are we talking about?
This is what really happens in the office, guys.
This is a charm alarm for all of our brand new charmers, just to let you know that you have within 24 hours of when you subscribe to upgrade to BOXYLUX. So you definitely want to do that because this month's box is like really good.
And we're gonna go live in within the hour unboxing June BOXYLUX. Garo's really excited about it.
Aren't these girls so cute? So BOXYLUX is a monthly subscription. You'll get 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month that are valued at least $100, and they're all based on your beauty quiz. So what you'll do is you'll join. You'll pay the $21 to receive your monthly box. You'll do your beauty quiz, and within 24 hours you need to go in and subscribe to BOXYLUX. They will send you the BOXYLUX instead of the June box, and at that time they will charge you the additional $28.99. So what you'll receive in your June 2019 BOXYLUX is either the Tarte's Pro Glow palette or the Tarte's Blush and Cheek palette. You'll get the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic, the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow, the Touch and Sew No Problem Prime Essence. From Living Proof, you'll either get the Full Dry Volume Blast or the Full Thickening Cream. In this picture, they're showing the Volume Blast. 6, you'll get M. Greengrass Fragrances Hand and Body Butter, and that's what's showing in this picture, or the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Refresh Mist. 7, you'll get a cute little PYT mini on-the-go hair dryer. It's like a travel dryer. If you're going on a trip, you may want to bring it. 8 is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in either peach tea or strawberry lemonade. And lastly, from Trustiques is the Good Vibes mascara, and it's true to Trustiques' name. They always have a multi-function in product. This is a mascara and a lash curler all in one. So guys, if you're interested in this $340 value and you've never subscribed to BOXYCHARM, or you know someone that is wanting to get BOXYLUX and is not a charmer, this is the time they can do it. This is not often that they offer this. This is the first time I see that they do this. Now, also, they're offering anybody who joins BOXYCHARM a $32 product. It's the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. This product, actually, I've had it for a while. I love it. You dab it on under your eyes, and it helps with blurring out fine lines, and also if you have any puffiness in the morning, this will help reduce the puffiness under your eyes. They're offering this while supplies last. So please use my link below if you're interested in joining. I think this is the best time to join. If you know a friend that wants to join, please send her this video. I will also link BOXYCHARM's video of them reviewing these products above, and you can check it out before you join. But you cannot get any value. I don't care what any other channels are telling you. These are not old products. Some of them are very new products. They're not trying to trick you. You know exactly what you're getting. You cannot get this value anywhere else. Use your brains, people. People are, I don't know, trying to get you to go to other subscription boxes, but make sure you weigh what you're getting before you join. Don't let somebody influence your thinking. lie to you about anything. I personally pay for 2 BOXYLUXes every month. BOXYCHARM does not give me a BOXYLUX. I get one $21 box a month. I just started getting PR. I pay for 2 subscriptions myself still, and I'm keeping those subscriptions so I can give a BOXYCHARM away every month. I'm just trying to tell you guys, please use your own mind when looking at these subscription boxes. Thank you for watching. If anybody's interested, like I said, I have the link below. And please, if you liked my video, hit that like button. And until I see you again, guys, I forgot to tell you all, I'm going to have a video coming up this afternoon. And in that video I have coming out this afternoon, you will have a special giveaway for just that video. Plus, I will announce the winner of the BOXYCHARM box that I gave away a few videos ago. So, watch the video coming out this afternoon. After this one, you'll get all that information and you'll see a giveaway just for that video this afternoon. So, take care. Bye. Mwah. Love you guys.